Hello my dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. So today we are going to learn again mental math, and today is the second day I am discussing about mental math topic, mathematical operation and number series. So today I will explain less. I will give you example and then I will explain the answer. Okay, so watch the video till end, and there is few sum given you for homework. You have to do it in copy. You have to solve it in your copy and you have to give me the answer in this comment section. Okay, use the comment section for your answering, for your doubt. If you have any doubt in any question, you can write the question and then you can ask me in this comment section, so that I can understand that how much you have learned today. So in the first part of the video, I will discuss about mathematical operation. Before going to start mathematical operation, there is some rules. That is, in mathematical operation, you know the four basic operations are involved in mathematical operation. The four basic operations are division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. And see, I have written first division, then multiplication, then addition, then and subtraction. So that means when the mixed of operation will be in a sum, particular sum, that time you have to choose first division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Suppose there is no multiplication, division, addition and subtraction are there. So first of all you have to choose division, then addition, then subtraction. So in this way you have to solve it. So let us read this first question. Choose the appropriate sign in the blank. See, there is few blank in the question. You have to choose any appropriate sign. You can choose addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and equal sign. And also I have given the options. So you can check it from the option also. 7 blank 2 equal 10 blank 4. What will be the answer? See, first of all you have to observe the question. The question is given, there is one equal sign. So equal sign indicates the left hand side and the right hand side should be same valued. So here in left hand side the numbers are 7 and 2, and in right hand side there is 10 and 4. So what operation we can apply so that the both sides should equal? See, if we multiply 7 into 2, we will get 14. And if we add 10 plus 4, we will get 14. So the answer is option. Let us check our second question. Choose the correct option answer in the blanks. You can choose any of the sign like addition, multiplication, division or subtraction or equal. So the question is 3 blank 7 blank 11 equal 10. So there is 2 blank and in one circle it is written equal. So you have to find out the correct option. Which is the correct option among A, B, C? So let us check the answer. First of all, as there is equal sign, so it is very easy. So first of all you need to make 10 by using the sign. So if we choose the first option, see, it is first multiplication then subtraction. So as you know that in order basis, first of all we have to complete the multiplication part, then we have to subtract. So 3 into 7 equals to 21 and 21 minus 11 equals to 10. So we have got the question number 3. Choose the correct answer, means correct sign here. It will be sign in the blank. So we can choose any of the operation for the to make it equal. So 3 blank 4 blank 2 equal 9. You can choose any of the options like option A plus plus means both addition, then minus and division, then multiplication and multiplication. If we choose the first option, addition and addition, so what we will get? 3 plus 4 equals to 7. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So the answer will be 9. See, this type of, if you want to solve this type of solve, that time you have to take the help of the options. Means you can choose, first of all you need to check by options. Now the question number 4, it is like the first 3, but it is little bit different. So use appropriate sign in star. Here the star is present in the question. Suppose 5 in 5 star 0 star 5 equals to 10 is written. So that means you have to make you have to use the sign to make it 10. So what will be the right answer? So if we choose the first option, in multiplication and multiplication is given, means we have to multiply 5 into 0 into 5. So as we are multiplying by 0, so we will get 0. So it will be the wrong answer. Next, minus minus. So if I choose minus and minus, then what we will get? 5 minus 0 minus 5. That means we will get again 0. Then C. So plus and plus. So if we add it, then we will get 10. Now it's our fifth question. If A is division, B is multiplication, C is addition and D is subtraction, then find the value of 16A, 4C, 10D, 7B, 2 equals to question mark. Option A 0, option B 4 and option C 5. So we have to write the proper sign in place of A, B, C, D. Suppose A is division, B is multiplication, C is addition and D is subtraction. So first of all you have to write the question, then you have to place the proper sign in place of the alphabets. So after placing the alphabet, see the solution. 16 divided by 4 it will be add with 10, then subtraction sign, then 7 into 2. So 4 we will get, first of all we need to do division part. So 16 divided by 4 equals to 4 plus 10 minus 7 into 2 equals to 14. So I have skipped one line. You can add it. So 14 minus 14 equals to 0. So the answer will be option A 0. Now this is your homework for mathematical operation. Number 1, use appropriate sign in place of star. Suppose 7 star 7 star 2 star 1 is equals to 12 is given, and the second question, see there is a you have to use the appropriate sign to solve the equation. 5-1-2 equal 2. So solve it and write it in comments. Now we will discuss about number series. You know what is number series and how we can apply the logics. So let's check. So now start with 6. Question number 6. So complete the series. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, question mark. See, before starting the solution, first of all you have to check whether it is a increasing series or decreasing series, or ascending series or descending series. So it's an increasing series. So now we have to check the gap between two numbers. If the gap is same, then it will be called as constant difference series. If the distance this gap between two terms is not equal, then it can be increasing, as it is increasing series, so it can be increasing constant difference series. So let us check. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. 11 minus 8 equals to 3. So all we are getting 3. So it's a constant different series. It's a constant different series. Why it is constant? Because it is not changing. The difference between two terms are not changing. It's not varied. So it will be constant. Now we have to find out the last term here. So how to find out? We need to add the with the last given term like 17 and we have to add with 3, we will get, it will be 20. Start our 7th question. Complete the series 6, 11, 21, 36, 56, question mark. See, here also, first of all, we need to observe that whether the series is increasing order or decreasing order. It's an increasing order because the second term is more than the first term and third term is more than the second term. In this way it is going on, so it's an increasing series. So first of all, we need to find out the gap between two numbers. So what is the gap? Means what is the gap between two terms? 11 minus 6 equals to 5. 21 minus 11 equals to 10. 36 in minus 21 equals to 15. See, the gap is also increasing order. So it's an increasing constant increasing different series with the difference 5, 10, 15, 20. So what will be the next gap? 25. So we have to add. If we add 25 with 56, we will get 81. This is our answer. So in this way you can solve this type of question. First of all, what you need to do? You have to check whether the series is in increasing order or decreasing order. If it is in increasing order, then find out the gap between two numbers, or decreasing order, then also you have to check the gap. So if the gap is in increasing order, then that means the series is in increasing different series. So now you have to check the increasing order, how it increases. See, 5, then 10, then 15, then 25. That means 5, 5, 5 add. See the 8th number question. Complete the series 8, 14, 26, 44, 68, question mark. So here also we need to check whether it is a increasing series or decreasing series. It's an increasing series. How you know that? Because the second term is more than first term, the third term is more than the second term, the fourth term is more than the third term. Like this way it is going on. So now we have to find out the logic behind it. What is the logic behind it? See, 14 minus 8 equals to 6. 26 minus 14 equals to 12. 26 minus 44 equals to 18, and 44 minus 68 equals to 24. See, now we have to find out the logic. See, 6, first gap is 6, then 12, then 18, then 24. Can you see this? It's a table of 6. So 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 6 into 4. Then it will be 6 into 5. That is equals to 30. So we have to add it. Add 30 with 68. We will get 98. This is the answer. So it's a combined operation series. This is the homework. What you have learned today, I want to know. That's why I have given few questions. You have to solve it and you have to write the answer in this comment section. So first question is very easy. Second question is also very easy. You have to find out and must write the logic. What is the logic behind it? You have to write it. Okay. So today up to this. I think you have learned well. So thank you.